I would get out of the house and hit the road running, and I would come across other runners who, when they see me, would clap to say I'm doing a great job, and I would clap in return. I would also come across people who just going about their normal business, but will see me and will shout encouraging words like, keep it up, well done. I would also come across some people who will just stare. Over time, as with anything that concerns we humans, I developed an entitlement mentality while on my run. So I'm running and I'm going in my mind, isn't anybody seeing me? Isn't anybody noticing me? Can they see how hard this thing is? How difficult this thing is? How much I'm sweating? Can they possibly fathom how many kilometers I'm running and how many calories I'm burning? Can they possibly imagine how much pain I'm in right now? Like, who cares? And I'll be going on and on like this in my mind until one day I had to say to myself, Kayode, wait, what exactly do you want? Do you want a pity party, or do you want to fulfill your potential? Because you can't have both.